Look what we got here today, kid. Badass, bro. Look at this. What a beaut, man. Super job. I don't like how you put the HVAC tape, huh?
But I cut it for the old pipe, and now
It's all right.
The pipe's gonna be different.
Good shit, man. Look at that beauty, kid. Wow. Very nice. Joe and I just got back from freaking having lunch. Our bellies are full. And that's how we're supposed to be, kid. All right, let's bring her in, man. Let's do some wrenching. I like these fuel tanks. I put one on my axe too. All right, good shit, bro. The low C5B is way shorter than the 5T. But this axis stand, man, I have this on the A-arm, the hook, instead of the chassis. This is where it should be. But it seems to be working. And the holes, it looks like we're going to be able to still mount the engine with this axis stand plate. Yeah. All right, let's get to your, it looks like you got some leaves there. It's like a fig leaf there, kid. All right. Oh, so you put some bed liner here.
Yeah.
Good shit. We're just going over a few things. We're going to get Just Joe's engine ready here. This is Bartolone 32 piston port. He's got the kill switch on. He's got an MSD spark plug wire on there. He's going to mount this to his receiver on the car. We're going to be doing the crankcase outerwear on here. And we may just bring it all the way in and go around everything here. Alright. Keep this all visible here. So, this is for a 32cc, but maybe a 30.5 crankcase would fit here better, because instead of going here, we're going to squeeze it in. We're going to bring it in closer. All right, we're going to use this part. All right, we will not be putting it here, going around all this. All right, that's it. He's over here showing me his remote here.
No, the receiver that has the telemetry.
You're going to stay with this one, or?
Probably not. Because I don't like that I can't see the battery, the power on my receiver battery. Which would probably be good with this, because on the nitro cars, it's close to the engine.
Yeah.
Once the receiver gets hot, it starts wigging out.
Oh, no kidding.
You'll lose throttle, it'll take off for you, it'll stop. But on this one, I don't think that would happen.
Yeah, I probably have no issues with this one.
But, you know, I could give this to one of my kids and get a better remote.
Yeah. All right. Good shit.
So when I got it, $120, you couldn't go wrong with all that. It's a pretty cool remote.
I like how it gives you that car sound when you fire it up, when you start it.
And when you turn it off, too. It does something else.
That's funny. That is bad. That's cool.
When you start it.
Why can't the $800 Futabas give you this? Oh shit, that's funny. Well, you got some good air filters. Just Joe's got his exhaust. All right, you're all ready to rock and roll. It's got some nice fuel lines, kid. Good shit. Let's go. Let's get ready. Now, you guys have been here before. There's no need for me to film the whole thing. You guys know the deal. Just clean the shit out of your case. Clean everywhere where you're going to put your Velcro. All right, we're also going to be putting some Gorilla Glue here, like this type. All right, with the brushing, especially on all the curves. We're basically going to use this as a primer. Look at that, nice ventilation. So Joe's got a nice idea here. He's going to fold this end. We're going to put a little piece of Velcro, or you could stitch it, or you can use some glue. All right, and put it like that. Then see this side here? This side is ready to go on your Velcro. And just bring it in like this. Go ahead, show it your hands. Yeah. And that's it. And it will be folded. Over here you have this here. It'll stick there. Put that on first.
Put this on first and fold it.
Exactly.
Like that.
And then a piece of, yeah, that's it. It'll grab the Velcro here. Look at that. See that, people? You can do that. You fold it like a gentleman, kid. Good shit. Any questions, kid? Joe. Just Joe Engineering right here, kid. Huh? Like a gentleman, kid. Yes, you can do it. Yes, it can be done, kid. Cover your shit. There you go. Protect your engine, especially if it's a good one. If it's a good one. This came out super nice, bro. Super protected, bro. You know what I'm saying? When you gotta protect something, throw a rubber on it. Oops, sorry. Throw an outerwear on it. You know what I'm saying?
Prophylactic.
Look at that. No stitch, no glue, no nothing. The double-sided Velcro here. We just stuck it to each other. And it's good, man. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. That's it. Look at that. Boom. So we'll mount the engine. Let's do the exhaust first. I'm gonna put the exhaust. But let's just take a quick look. Let's bring this Just Joe's kill switch. Just gonna go over there. You're gonna have to open this up. That's gonna go over there. This is gonna go underneath. And that's it. Beautiful. That's it, man. Look at this. Happy to see you. So for those of you that don't know, Just Joe installed his velocity stack at his home. He did not modify this. He did not grind it. He added the spacer onto his. See that? That's what it looks like. If you add the spacer, boom. All right. See that? Works great. All right. Let's keep going forward. How about we have a Zach coffee first?
Yeah.
I need
and
it.
The spacer
Uh-huh.
has the two gaskets on each side.
Right.
I was questioning that. It looked like there was two gaskets.
Yeah.
And I went back to your video and you didn't mention it. So
Yeah.
if anyone
Okay.
needs to know that the gaskets are on the spacer, both gaskets.
Awesome. Awesome. Torque to 65-inch. Good shit. And you put grease on the O-ring on here?
Yep.
Awesome. Good shit. Let's go. Check it out. We could literally run this engine right now in our hands. It's all one piece now. Exhaust and engine is all one piece. Look at that. Beautiful setup. Take the engine out, it's so quick. And everything comes out with it. Exhaust comes out with it. No need to break seals, exhaust gaskets, none of that. Really cool. I would have ceramic coated this, man. Keep that all this heat in, you know, a little more. A lot of heat's going to come out of this, but there are people winning world championship races just like this, so don't sweat it. All right, people, over here in the garage. And look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Joey, I really like the colors you did, man. Looks sweet. Looks badass. All right, so we're going to fire this up for the very first time right now. It is a miserable, shitty, rainy day today. We both have lots of stuff to do. So we just want to fire this up real quick. Lift that side up, Joe. Let's put it up here. I hate working on the floor nowadays. Let's put some fuel in there real quick. Alright, so we're just going to prime it. Some Camp 2 here. Oh yeah. Alright, so what do you guys think, huh? We're gonna prime it. Joe has an air filter. We're gonna have to do the same thing we did with the X2 that you've seen. We're gonna put foam filter oil only in the inner air filter. Then the second stage air filter, we don't put any oil. And then the outerwear, obviously, we just spray silicone it and we put it on. We're gonna fire it up without any air filter for now and get her going. Let's see. All right, so let's prime it for the very first time. Oh, now we got prime, kid. I have no idea where this thing is at. I'm gonna see where we're at. I'm gonna give it a little. Kill switch is disconnected. We're gonna put the choke on for hopefully just 1 second. What a lousy day, huh?
Yeah.
It's not too lousy. We got a Brap brother here coming to life. Damn. We take it off choke when we hit that. And we need throttle. And we got E-word Oreo, kid. And we got E-word Oreo going crazy. Hitting that door. Look at that thing. Let's go see this guy. What is this guy's problem, bro? I'm like, what is this guy's problem? Why are all E-words the same, kid? What? What do you want? What do you want? No, no, you. Yes, you. Fucking guy. Let's fire this sucker up. I'm gonna have to give it some throttle, kid. That's what it's missing. It needs a little air. You ready?
Yep.
Woo, that's a lot of fucking throttle, kid. That's a lot of throttle, baby. But we got her going, kid. Oh, snap. This is gonna be a zah. Snap, crackle, pop, bro. Snap, crackle, pop. Sounds good, bro. Congratulations, kid. She sounds great. Alright, so we're gonna bring it more RPMs. I fattened the low speed a little bit, but we're not gonna let it idle that low. I'm gonna bring it RPMs from here. That's it right there. Let it run. After 15, 20 minutes, shut it down. Let it completely cool down. That's it. Do that 4 or 5 times. And then let it run, kid. Let it run. Every day, every night, boom, boom, let it run. Try to go through at least half of this. Right? Half of a gallon or 3/4 of a gallon. All right? And then we'll see you for tuning, right? Testing, tune. Maybe what? Friday, you think? Friday, Sunday?
Whatever you got. Whatever you got.
Maybe Friday, so stay tuned for that. All right, this is loose. You got to tighten this up.
That's the piece that broke it, so.
All right, Joe, till next time, kid. We're both in a rush, but at least we got to fire it up today, right?
Yep.
Till next time, guys. We'll tune it maybe next time, and we'll take it to a park or something.
Yeah.
All right? All right, good shit, man. See ya, buddy.
All right.